No, dude. Get this thing off me. No, dude. Come here, get this fire. Get the fire. Dude. Get my foot in your house. The fire down in there. Come on. I'm gonna fuck. It's my fire. I ain't gonna make it to the foot ever. Get in my feeder house, wait! You sprayed it here? It's literally smoking out my feeder house. I'm trying to disconnect the header to the combine to fly down there for what reason?
Hopefully third time's a charm. This is the last one.
Okay, I don't know how to disconnect this thing, I'll tell you that right now. I don't know how to do it.
Good job, Trevor.
You gotta somehow get it down in the feeder house. You gotta get it in below my fucking header. It's like inside the fucking. Not to disconnect. I don't know how to.
That was a wee bit scary.
Wait, save that water. And then maybe go in. There. It's already recording. Keep recording. combine is now getting the final touches put on it. The fire trucks are here. About 15 minutes from burning. They made it out here. All volunteer firefighters. One of them is Ben. He's like 88 years old. This isn't Ben, he's not 88. This is Ben. Ben, you saved me, Ben.
You tied these all the way out?
Yeah. I got the full in my pocket. Yeah, we got it off because why would we ever need it off? Here. He got that one, didn't he? Or no? Yeah. This first thing I did, toss all my shit in this combine. I thought for sure I was losing it. If I had a baby, I'd have tossed the baby out. Fought the fire. Stay there, baby. Yeah, I know. With every fire extinguisher on the property was there. And we needed every single one. Without those last ones, I wouldn't have made it this far. I'd have been a burning combine, got to the river, realized it's 2 inches deep, and we'd have burned 2 inches of water.
Andrew gave me one, and I was still like hot and smoking out front too.
You're on YouTube. Not yet, but then they get mad at me for recording the videos. This is my combine this time. I can record whatever I want. If I had my GoPro on, I would have thrown that shot. It takes me like 2 seconds. But I have the GoPro, but no SD card. Battery low. Hot? Hey honey, I'm fine. My combine tried to burn down every fire extinguisher on the property. We put it out, I put it out, got it on video. But I'm gonna take tomorrow off. Fuck this shit. It was my end, it was on fire. Josh, it was still on fire. Josh like, go, head for the water. I'm like, you, this thing, we're gonna put it out more first. I'm glad I stopped instead of trying to go with it. It was fucking coming.
I got up, got these guys.
Yeah, somebody had to get somebody coming. Oh yeah, we didn't have enough water. I just believe we kind of almost did.
You buy enough time and then we get here.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Big grant.
Oh, that was scary.
Drop the header down.
Drop the header down?
Lower it down a little bit. We're gonna drop
unlock
the header.
it. Yeah. Now we're going to disconnect this header from my machine. In record time, now that we're outside the field. Firefighter's pitching in. It's got a spin. too good this firefighter is helping. And what we're doing now is disconnecting the fire just like last year we disconnected. This time we're going to disconnect with the wheels down. I think I'm disconnected. I can back up. Look out! Look out! Get the fuck away from the header, dude. Yeah, Levi, I was worried you were too close to the header when I back up, but the header falls over, you're touching it. I'd prefer it wasn't that. What's that?
We're too close. Back up some more.
Well, you guys got in the pinch point. I ain't supposed to be operating it with people between the pinch point. If I turn it on? You've never seen me back this thing up. Sometimes it goes 10 feet forward. Yeah. It's in, man. It's not going out of park. It's not going into fucking neutral, or it's not going out of park. I don't know. I swear I'm telling me how to. We're really soaking it down, making sure that it's all the way out. This smells hot. Something still smells hot. All right, fire trucks are leaving. Oh, the disc is here. That's good. It appears not to be on fire. Jamie's waiting to come across. My name is Drew, waiting to come across. We're probably going to call it a day. I don't know how much sun there still is in the sky. Oh, there's still 2.5 hours of sunlight left. We might end up being back out here. So this is why you're very attentive when you start fires. You got to put them out fast. So if you let the fire burn too long, get out of control. Can't save the combine. Can't save the header. This time the header was saved. Combine was saved. All because of everybody out here. Not just me. I'm gonna tell everybody it was me, but it probably wasn't just me. I'm gonna go for it was me though. Ooh.
Your fire sensors, you're okay?
I think I got water in mine.